everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Gobbledycook. Now, I'm not going to be revealing what I'm making today right away, but can you guess the star ingredient of today's show from the color of my dress or from my earrings? Keep guessing while I take a break. Join me after the music. We celebrated Halloween in the US a few weeks back, and on that day I really wanted to cook something with pumpkins. And the first recipe that came to my mind was Alu Kumro Chhoka, or a preparation made from potatoes and pumpkins. I guess that the word chokka has something to do with the word sukha, which means dry, because chokka is usually a dry preparation which is made with mild spices in very less oil. The texture of the dish is enhanced by ingredients such as grated coconut, or sometimes you could use soaked black gram seeds, or even dried lentil dumplings, which are known as boris. Now this goes really well with hot rice, but it goes even better with luchi, which is kind of, a Bengali poori kind of a preparation. You can make chokka with other vegetables too, such as cauliflower. But like I mentioned, I'm going to be showing you one of the most popular vegetables this is made with, which is pumpkins. And so without much further ado, let's get cooking.